Hey guys, Matt from Rimpact here. I got to fit new tyres for a race this coming weekend, so I thought I'd just make a quick video to show you how to remove your tyre when you need to do the same. The main difficulty of removing a tyre comes from the fact that people tend to use their thumbs and push the tyre in. It's nothing to do with inserts specifically. This is just a technique that you want to use when you're removing any tyre. But we find a lot of our customers really struggle with doing it with the insert, because the insert is obviously pushing out on the tyre bead, trying to lock it in place. So if you're pushing the tyre in with your thumb, you're just not going to get anywhere with it. So instead, what you want to do is use your fingers and the strength of your back and your forearms to pull on the tyre towards you. So what I do is remove all the air from the tyre, make sure it's completely out, and then go down into a squat stance and then press your knees against the tyre, kind of like that. And that way, when the tyre is angled down towards the floor, you can pull on the tyre and put all of your upper body force into it. Again, rather than pushing with your thumbs, you want to pull the tyre towards you. So put your fingers against the rim a few inches apart, and then press the tyre in and pull towards you. So still a little bit of air inside that tyre second, so let's get it wide. There you go, like that. So I'll do it opposite side to show you again. I'm going to come in closer. Knees against the tyre, fingers are around about 2-3 inches apart, and then pull the tyre down and towards you and push the bead inward with your fingers, because you can really grip and pull very hard that way, whereas again if I was trying to push in with my thumbs, it's just not going to go anywhere. This is a downhill casing tyre as well, and it's not actually that old, so still fairly fresh. So if you're really struggling with your one, just try and do this over and over again basically until you get it. Make sure the air is completely out of your tyre. There we go. So I dropped my weight in and pushed against with my knees, and that gave me the force. So there we go.